This video is going to be about how we rearrange equations. So a number of you had problems checking some of your work when the answers were in the form something x, add something y, add something else equals 0. So I'm just going to show you how to rearrange those. So if I want to get 0 on the right hand side here, in this first simple example, I've got y equals 2x, that's positive 2x, add 3. So I need to take the 2x to the side and also take 3 as well. So in that first example, y minus 2x minus 3 equals 0, and that's fairly straightforward. That can be written in any order, so for example I could have written it as minus 2x, add y, minus 3 is 0. With this second example, some of you have found things like this a little bit trickier when there's fractions involved. So there's two ways of doing this. So the first way is I could take 2 off both sides, so I've got y minus 2 equals minus a fifth of x, and then I could multiply it by 5, so that would be 5 brackets y minus 2 equals minus x, expand the bracket, 5y minus 10 equals minus x. So in the end, when I add the x across, I'd get x, add 5y, minus 10 is 0. Now the other option would, so that's the answer there. Your other option would have been to multiply by 5 at the first step. So if I was to do that, I would have got 5y equals minus x, add 10, because I multiply that by 5, I get that, I multiply that by 5, I get that, I multiply that by 5, and I get that. And then you could have worked backwards in the same way, and you'll see